I hope everyone is doing great. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to download soil maps from FAO UNESCO website. So now you can visualize this is nothing but the global level soil data available in Shapefile format. So you can see here it is globally available. So you can also download a PDF like this, digital soil map of the world, and you can get to know more about this color codings from here in the legend option. So same legend you can use it for studying here also. You can find the legends over here based on the soil type AF, AG like that. So you can easily find out what AF and AG soil types are. So you can find it here. Now let us see how to download the soil maps, global soil map. So after going to the search, type in digital soil map of the world, FAO/UNESCO. Now hit search. So you can see the link. So this is the web link I'll be sharing in the description. Now this is how the home page looks like. So under data hub you can find this. So if you are interested in the continent wise, you can select and download this. For example, North America, you can download it in PDF file format. You'll be getting the legends, and you can also download it in JPEG format. So likewise for Mexico and Central America, you can download it in both in PDF and in JPEG, and you can find the legends. Likewise for each continent has been given, you can directly click here like this, and it will be loaded like this, as you can see here, and directly you can download it. So you can see here we have downloaded the map, right? Like this you can visualize it. And if you are interested in downloading the legend, you can just click on this legend and download it. You can see the legend, what it denotes. So like this you can download continent wise. So if you are interested to download for the entire world, you can choose this option, digital soil map of the world. From here we'll be also getting the digital soil map of the world in Shapefile format. So click this, you'll be redirected to a new page, FAO UNESCO soil map of the world. So you can see the scale. So it is 1:5 million scale soil map, and totally 19 map sheets were produced. So the FAO UNESCO soil map of the world was published in 10 volumes and 19 map sheets from 1972 to 1977. So let us see how to download the soil data as a shapefile. So you could see here, if you come down, you can find digital soil map of the world. Under that you can see associated records. Click on it. So once you have selected associated record, you can see the first downloads and links. In this first you can see the digital soil map of the world, high resolution map PDF. It is around 27 MB, and you'll be getting the map like this. This is the map. So like this you'll be getting the map. It is also published in WMS. So our interest is lies in downloading Dataset shapefile, ESRI shapefile format. Click on download. You can see here the downloader has been started. It is around 22 MB. It is also available in other formats like Erdas format, and you can see IDRISI format. So once the download has been completed, let us view it in QGIS. So please take a note of this downloaded file name, and once after extracting this file, just go back to QGIS, and you can use the browse option to navigate to a folder. So GS, inside that DSMW. So this is the file. You can also directly import it without extracting also. So this is how the file looks like. So global soil data. First you can see there is a question mark out here. So we are going to set the reference system. So we are going to set it to WGS 1984. After that, right click, go on to properties, So here we are going to change the symbology of this layer. So instead of a single symbology, we are going to use categorized, because you can you know that there will be many soil types. So we are going to select the attribute field from the values. So you can see here DOMSOI. So this is the field which we are going to use for classifying the soil types. So you can see here classify. So click on classify, and you can see the soil AF, AG, AH, like that. Click on apply, click OK. So you can see here now it is being classified accordingly. You can also open this Shapefile's attribute table, and you can find some information about it. So basically you can see here DOMSOI, this is nothing but the soil codes, and this is FAO soil codes, right? And after that you can find some more information like country code, then country name code, how much square kilometers it is, each soil has been covering up, a small portion, and followed by that you will be getting to know which country it is from, for which country it is likewise. So for example, if I select Afghanistan, and yeah, you can see here it will be highlighted in the map. You can see here it has been highlighted in yellow color, Afghanistan region. So you can also choose it for your country like this. You can do the attribute selection. So you can also clip it using your study area boundary for any part of the world. So let me show you an example over here. So I'm having the boundary file of India, right? And we can also clip it using this boundary file. So go to vectors and select geoprocessing tools. From here choose clip, and our input layer will be our soil data, that is DSMW, and our overlay is our study area boundary. So you can save it to any particular location using this option. The output can be saved to any particular location by using this option. So I'm going to leave it as a temporary file right now. So let us run it. So the clipping process has been going on. Now you can see here it has been completed, and let me remove the study area boundary and the world soil map. Now you can see here how my study area looks like. You can also use the same symbology, categorized. Under that we are going to use the DOMSOI, classify it like this, apply OK. So you can see here each codes represents a soil type, so that you can find it from the digital soil map of the world, where you can zoom in, you can find the soil types. So if you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.